everyone, my name's Adam Voigt. This is a really quick message to anyone out there who would classify themselves as a passionate teacher, somebody who's more interested in teaching kids than teaching subjects. Or perhaps you're a school leader or a principal who's dedicated to the notion of fulfilling some sort of moral objective in your work about putting young people on a better life trajectory, perhaps a little more than you are interested in squeezing a decent test score out of them. I'm sending you a message because I've written a book that I think you might be interested in. It's called Restoring Teaching, How Working Restoratively Unleashes the Teacher Within. And there are two really big promises, two really big objectives that sit within this book. Number one, what we're trying to do is to re-establish teaching as a desirable profession. We want to put educators back up at the top of what I would call the respect tree in the community. We want to make being a teacher something that young people aspire to for the esteem in which the entire community holds its educators. And the second thing we want to do is do it restoratively. And what we want to do is take the principles of restorative practices that some people have already had a bit of interest in previously, but perhaps had it not rolled out as well as it should be in their school. We want to take the principles of it and take it to a whole new level. What we're calling it is RP 2.0. Where what we're going to establish for you is a whole new focus for the language you use in the way that you contribute to school culture, a whole new focus for the conduct that you choose when you are within the walls of the classroom, and a whole new mindset for the way that you're going to work such that you can be more effective and less stressed in getting done what you need to get done every day. If you are watching this video, then you are somewhere around a link where you will be able to purchase this book. So have a bit of a look around because I'd love to get it into your hands and to get the knowledge and the tips and the tricks and the focus that I have found over 27 years of being a teacher, 10 or 12 years of being a school leader, and lately over the last 8 years of being a partner with schools while they completely transform their culture. I would love to get all of those things into your hands. I'd even love to know what you think about it as well. So grab the book, have a read, enjoy yourself, and make sure you do let me know what you think of Restoring Teaching.